Alright, can you say your name? Luna. That was perfect.
Somebody once told me the world is...
Arrow, wake up. Arrow. 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 You scaring the out of me. Wake up. He was a bitch.
By these fucking dogs.
Only time his bitch ass want to listen. Why the hell you look so damn happy?
Why are you so dramatic?
No, come back.
Whisper, whisper, whisper. Good boy.
Did somebody get their bone stuck to their jaw? Yeah.
You can get it. Oh my gosh, Zoe.
Can I get my rib? I want my rib. That's my rib.
It's bedtime. Let's go.
Please stay. Stay.
Lock it on, go.
Smell it. Smell it.
James.
Because I can't even breathe without this dog just what? Ah!
Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Who are you? You the good boy?
Okay, man.
Look at me. Nigga, stand up.
Come on, let's go.
You do love me? You do? I love you too. Come on. Let's go shake off outside. Frank, oh.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah.
Hunt underage, potentially traffic girls.
Yeah, well, listen, I appreciate the efforts that you're making it all over the world.
Eat the peanut butter. Milo.
Sit. Cheese.
Yeah, you're done.
The crime has been committed.
No se ande atravesando la calle, no, míreme. No se ande atravesando la calle porque me la voy a chingar.
She's so brave. She's well behaved.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get out.
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
No, bye.
You better move that paw.
He looks so happy right now. He's smiling.
You smiling, buddies?
He's looking for a kiss.
No. Oh God, no.
Oh, my God.
Am I gonna?
He did it! Yay! Come on!
Don't talk. Milo.
Holy smokes, Milo.
Yeah.
What is it? Hi, Rush. He's a good boy. Are you baby too, Rush?
It's Sunday morning. Okay, fine. Butts back!
Give it.
Is he your new friend, honey? Be nice.
Want me to put my foot on you, girl? What's that?
Oi, no. You're smiling. Oi, no.
He's fine. He's fine. You know, he looks dead. I know.
Shakira, ¿eres tú?
Oh my God.
What is this? You're a fucking escape artist.